What if you could earn a steady income from home without the typical 9 to 5 grind? In 2026, remote work has evolved into a goldmine of high-paying opportunities that go beyond traditional jobs. Imagine managing AI systems, overseeing digital workflows, or ensuring data privacy, all from the comfort of your own home. These remote roles not only offer flexibility, but also come with impressive monthly paychecks. Whether you're tech-savvy or just starting out, there are opportunities to earn $2,500 to $9,000 monthly simply by leveraging your expertise in emerging technologies. Ready to find out which remote jobs could make you money every month? Let's dive in. 1. AI Output Quality Controller, Linguistic and Ethical. In 2026, AI is generating an enormous amount of content, from reports to marketing campaigns. But as much as AI has revolutionized industries, it still needs human touch to ensure the content aligns with brand ethics and maintains quality. This is where the AI Output Quality Controller steps in. The role involves reviewing AI-generated content to make sure it's free from errors, bias, or ethical issues. You might be tasked with reviewing an AI's report for factual accuracy, ensuring it resonates with the intended audience or aligning its tone with the brand's voice. Additionally, you'll spot hallucinations, the instances where AI might generate false or misleading information. It's a vital role to ensure that AI's output is safe, reliable, and effective for public consumption. This remote role offers not only financial stability, but also the chance to be part of the rapidly evolving world of AI. 2. Virtual Automation Architect for SMBs. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, are increasingly relying on various AI tools, but many struggle to connect these tools in a way that creates a seamless workflow. This is where the Virtual Automation Architect comes in, and it's a rapidly growing role that pays well on a monthly basis. Your job will be to create automated workflows that connect a business's sales, support, billing, and other systems. Using tools like Make or Zapier, you'll build integrations that make the entire business process more efficient. For example, automating email responses, customer queries, or inventory updates, and streamlining operations will become part of your day-to-day tasks. The goal is to eliminate manual tasks and increase productivity through automation, allowing businesses to scale faster without increasing headcount. The monthly pay for an automation architect typically ranges from $1,500 to $3,000 per client, depending on the scale of the automation you're designing. Since more businesses are looking to streamline operations, the demand for skilled professionals in this field continues to grow, making it a lucrative option for those with the right skills in workflow automation. 3. Remote Data Privacy and Sovereignty Auditor. With the introduction of stricter data laws worldwide, especially in 2026, companies are more concerned than ever about data privacy and sovereignty. Businesses need experts to ensure they comply with these regulations, ensuring that AI doesn't access or use private data inappropriately. This is where remote data privacy and sovereignty auditors play a crucial role. Your job will involve reviewing a company's software stack and performing digital audits to make sure they're adhering to privacy laws and data sovereignty guidelines. This could include ensuring that AI models are not learning from or using customer data in ways that violate privacy regulations. These audits are especially crucial for AI-heavy companies, where data collection and usage play a central role in their operations. The monthly pay for data privacy auditors ranges from $5,000 to $9,000, depending on the complexity of the systems being audited and the level of expertise required. With the rise of stringent regulations and growing concerns over data breaches, this role offers a stable income, as well as a critical function for businesses operating remotely in 2026. 4. Synthetic Media Prompt Director. As AI-driven media tools become more sophisticated, companies in the advertising and media industries are leveraging synthetic media for creating high-quality videos and audio without the need for traditional filming. This has created a demand for synthetic media prompt directors, a highly lucrative remote role. A synthetic media prompt director specializes in generating videos, voiceovers, or other media content using AI tools such as Sora or 11 Labs. Your role involves directing the AI to create these assets based on the campaign's requirements, ensuring that the final product is on brand and meets the project's objectives. You'll be responsible for creating scripts, guiding the AI's creative output, and overseeing the final media assets that will be used in social media campaigns, advertisements, and more. The monthly pay for a synthetic media prompt director is competitive, often reaching $6,000 or more, especially if you work with top-tier ad agencies or media companies. This role gives you the flexibility to work remotely while managing cutting-edge AI tools to create impactful media. It's an ideal opportunity for individuals with background in media production or a strong creative flair who want to tap into the future of advertising. 5. Fractional Chief AI Officer, FCAO. Startups and small businesses often cannot afford to hire a full-time Chief AI Officer, CAO, to manage their AI strategies. However, they still require expert guidance on implementing and integrating AI into their business. This is where the Fractional Chief AI Officer, FCAO, role comes into play. As an FCAO, your responsibilities include attending strategic meetings, advising on AI adoption, and overseeing the implementation of new AI technologies. You'll be the remote leader guiding the company through AI adoption and ensuring that AI initiatives align with their business goals. The role typically involves attending just 2 to 3 meetings a month and offering high-level strategic oversight on AI projects. The pay for an FCAO starts at $3,000 per month per startup, with potential to earn more based on scope of the work and the company's budget. This position is perfect for individuals with strong expertise in AI technologies and business strategy who want to leverage their skills in a flexible, remote role while still being involved in cutting-edge projects. 6. DePIN Network Operations Manager. DePIN decentralized physical infrastructure networks are becoming more prevalent in the digital economy, and they need professionals to manage the hardware clusters that support them, such as 5G nodes or mapping dashcams. As a DePIN Network Operations Manager, you'll remotely monitor the health and performance of these decentralized networks. Your role will involve overseeing the operation of local hardware owned by an investment group, ensuring the devices remain operational and performing as expected. This includes ensuring that devices stay connected, perform their tasks efficiently, and that any issues are addressed promptly. DePIN networks are growing rapidly, and as they expand, the demand for professionals to manage these networks also increases. 7. AI Training Expert in the Loop. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. In specialized industries such as medical, legal, or engineering, AI models need real-world expertise to ensure that the data they're learning from is accurate. As an AI training expert in the loop, your job will involve fact-checking and ranking the responses generated by AI in these high-stakes fields. You'll work remotely, reviewing AI-generated responses and making sure they align with established standard of accuracy and best practices within your specific industry. Whether it's verifying medical information or checking legal language, your expertise will be critical in ensuring that AI models generate trustworthy, reliable outputs. The pay for an AI training expert in the loop can easily exceed $8,000 per month, especially if you work with high-end clients in fields like medicine or law. This role offers steady, high-paying remote work for individuals with specialized knowledge and a passion for ensuring the quality of AI outputs. 8. Virtual Community Economy Manager. With the rise of private, tokenized communities on platforms like WAP or Discord, the demand for community managers is an all-time high. As a virtual community economy manager, you'll be responsible for managing the economy of the community, handling membership tiers, token distributions, and scheduling events. In this role, you'll oversee how the community's tokenized economy works, ensuring that users are engaged and that the virtual economy is running smoothly. You might also be responsible for helping facilitate the exchange of goods or services within the community and ensuring that the overall environment remains positive and engaged. Now that you've discovered the top 8 remote work opportunities that pay monthly, are you ready to start your journey toward a high-paying remote career? Whether you're overseeing AI systems, managing decentralized networks, or auditing data privacy, these roles offer exciting, flexible work with excellent earning potential. The best part? You can do all of this from anywhere in the world. Which of these opportunities stands out to you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to make money remotely. See you in the next video.